Should we go where the lady is because it's lightning lane?
It's lightning lane.
Hiya. Hiya.
Thank you.
You're the best. I'll miss you so much. I cannot stand them. Is this anyone's first time on the Jungle Cruise? Same. I'm so excited. It's going to be so much fun. All right. My name's Stephanie. I'll be your skipper, cruise director, dance instructor, lion tamer, crocodile hunter, hippo wrestler, snake charmer, and if you don't laugh at all my jokes, your swimming instructor. Okay, glad we're clear on that. I'm going to do a quick tour of the boat as well. So if you look up, that's the top of the boat. If you look down, that's the bottom of the boat. And if it ever switches, swim. Raise your hands. How many of you can swim? Most of you. Wonderful. You're now the flotation devices for this cruise. Thank you for volunteering. Well, we're starting this journey on the Amazon River, the Amazon rainforest. And right over here is Inspiration Falls. And people always ask me, why is it called Inspiration Falls? Well, if you look into the rushing, gushing waters for long enough, it will inspire you to go deeper and deeper into the jungle. Everybody say, ooh.
Ooh.
Everybody say, ah.
Ah.
That was so inspirational, you guys. Thank you. I really needed that today. We're going to turn down the Congo River now and see how far this boat can go. So glad you like that. And that's actually my best joke. They're all going to be like that. Right over here, though, is the Jungle Book in 3D and a box set. We are very lucky to have it. We live off the bare necessities out here. So behind me is Boats and Baits and Bites. It's a great place for a quick bite to eat. Everybody hangs out here, real hopping place. Oh, wow. That's awkward. I don't see anyone canoe. That's crazy. Something must have scared him off. I wonder what it was, though. Oh, yep, no, that would do it. That's Monty. Monty's a python. Yeah, I know he's a python and not a boa because he doesn't have any feathers. Just don't get in a relationship with him. Quite constricting. Don't want to get wrapped up in that. Oh my goodness. Sounds like my in-laws right now. Do you know the difference between in-laws and outlaws? Outlaws are wanted. In-laws, they come to town, take over your place, make a giant mess. I mean, just look at what they've done to my Jeep. They painted it blue. I wanted khaki, but they did get it to turn over. Must have used a monkey wrench or something. Oh, no, that's an issue for another day. We're moving on to the Nile River in Africa. It's actually the longest river in Africa. It just goes on for Niles. And Niles. And Niles. And if you don't believe me, you're in
Denial.
Africa. But I like that answer. That's a really great answer. And would you look at that? It's an African elephant. You know, fun fact about elephants, they actually have the best memory in the entire world. Wish I had a memory like an elephant. It would really help with my job. Really would. Oh, hey, would you look at that? It's an African elephant. You know, fun fact about elephants, they actually have the best memory in the entire world. I wish I had a memory like an elephant. It would really help with my job. Really would. Well, with that, we've just entered the African belt. It's home to so many creatures. We got a long-necked cheetah, 67 Chevy Impalas, stripy horses, danger chickens in the tree there. And then over here, we got a pride of lions taking care of a sleeping stripy horse. Man, he looks dead. Tired, dead tired. You know what? We're going to let him rest in pieces. And we're going to move on to the next beach. Oh, my. Okay. You know what? There's actually nothing on this next beach. That's right. Definitely not a skipper and his crew run up a tree by a pack of hyena. If there was a skipper and his crew run up a tree by a pack of hyena, I would have to fill out a lot of paperwork. And I don't like doing that. So we see nothing. Got it? Amazing. Don't worry about Skipper Felix up there. It's his first day. Probably going to be his last day. But it just goes to show danger lurks around every corner in the jungle. Except for this one. Yeah, that's not Danger. That's Smiley. He's a sweetheart. Don't worry about him. Aww. But keep your eye on his girlfriend Ginger, because Ginger snaps. And she is one tough cookie. But if you look towards the front of the boat, you'll actually see the most beautiful view in the jungle. And then behind me is Schweitzer Falls. It's actually named after the famous dirt explorer, Dr. Albert Falls. Don't worry, we're going to go over the falls again later. As we pass by, though, you may have felt that refreshing mist. That's actually full of thousands of jungle bacteria. So, you know, free souvenir for your trip. I hope you enjoy it. But I'm going to direct your attention right over here to this lovely green area. You will see absolutely nothing. I just wanted to distract you guys for a minute. But we're headed into the hippo pool now. Please do not look like marbles. These are hungry, hungry hippos. Last week actually sank 6 boats. Don't worry, only 5 of them were mine. That is not one of mine, weirdly enough. But I did learn how to scare them off. Now I've been practicing. Watch this. I love you! I want to get married! I will never see them again. That's actually how I scared off my last relationship. Works every time. But you know, people tell me all the time, Skipper Stephanie, your job's so easy, a monkey can do it. Joke's on them, those are chimps. And they're actually our skippers in training. That's what we look like before we were packing, can you believe it? It's crazy, I know. But they work hard alone in the ropes, so we leave them to their monkey business. Right around the riverbed here, though, are a couple of my friends. Yeah, their favorite snack's butterflies. I tried them once, did not like the feeling of butterflies in my tummy. You know butterflies, though, they just aren't what they used to be. Caterpillars. And now the moment you've all been waiting for, it's the awesome, the amazing, the stupendous, the eighth wonder of the world, one and only backside of water! 028, 028, 028, 028. No, just get on that one. Okay. But it's backside of water. We gotta say it backwards. It's a chemistry joke. Yeah, I only tell periodically. They're not in everyone's element. Or moving on to the Mekong River in Cambodia. Over here is the goddess Shirley. This is Shirley's temple. Yeah, I actually have no clue what's in here. Should we go in?
Yes.
Not gonna lie, I was hoping for a different answer. You're now the captain. Captain always goes down with their ship. I'm a skipper. I skip away from danger. You're cool with that, right? Amazing. If we see any treasure, dibs.
Dibs.
You guys made it, but raise your hand if you did not make it. Okay, quite a few of you. Don't worry, I'll come back to you later, I promise. But it looks like we ended up in the sacred Indian elephant bathing pool. Feel free to take as many photos as you like. They're all wearing their trunks. And fun fact, but elephants actually have the best memory in the entire world. I wish I had a memory like an elephant. It would really help with my job. Really would. That'd be nice. Oh no, she's back. Okay, this elephant likes to spray the gas in my boat. Don't worry, I'm gonna sneak past her. We're gonna make it, you guys. I promise. We're not gonna make it. We're not gonna make it. No, 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 no. We do not spray the gas anymore. Get down. Get down. Yeah, we talked about this. I'm watching you. Sorry about that. They are huge troublemakers. You know, people always ask me if it's water that comes out of their trunk, but it's not. No, gross, right? By the way, before I forget, fun fact about elephants. They actually have the best memory in the entire world. I wish I had a memory like an elephant. It would really help my job. Really would. That'd be nice. Right up here, though, is Trader Sam's Lost and Found gift shop. Sorry, gift shop. We just rebranded. Fun fact, though, all the merchandise is actually found in the strollers people leave out front. You would not believe what people just leave in their stroller. If you're missing something, though, come check us out. You're more than welcome to buy anything back at twice the price you bought it for. Real steal the deal, I always say. Do we have any annual pass holder DVC members on board?
DVC.
There's no discount here.
Oh.
So, I know what you're thinking. Skipper Stephanie, that's monkey business. It's not. No, it's an elephant business. Because you know, elephants, they actually have the best memory in the entire world. I wish I had a memory like an elephant. It would really help my job. Really would. That'd be nice. But how's everybody's day going? Everybody having a good day? Good, good. Glad to hear it. What's been your favorite part of the day so far?
This.
Thank you so much. That's so sweet. Can I ask, is this the first ride of the day?
No.
Oh, okay. Well, that's good. That's good. Good news is your day will go up from here. We're actually looking at the bottom of the hill. You gotta walk up to exit. Kind of how hills work, but I hear it's quite the uplifting experience. So. But friends, we are now entering the most dangerous part of our journey. It is, of course, the return to civilization. I'm so sorry, you guys will have to go back. Before we do, though, quick reminder to please remain fully seated, keeping hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat at all times. Parents, continue watching your children. I still don't want to, and children continue watching your parents. I still don't trust them. Sound good? Amazing. And when we approach the dock, I will ask that you guys exit out the same door you entered. So everybody on this side of the boat, you're going to exit out that back door. Everybody on this side of the boat, I'm going to have you exit out that front door. Whatever you do, don't cross over the center crates. It's not a great idea. It's actually a fire hazard. See, if you trip and fall, I will point and laugh, and then I get fired. I can't lose this job. Again. It's actually the second time today. Not a good look for me. Let's not do that, okay? You guys remember all that, right? Oh, good. I won't. Now my memory's terrible. You know what I forget, though? An elephant. Yeah, they actually have the best memory in the entire world. And I wish I had a memory like an elephant. It would really help my job. It really would. That'd be nice. Oh, would you look at that? Okay, so if you look right over here, you'll notice that there's a dock on the left and a dock on the right. That's what we call here at the Jungle Cruise a paradox. Kind of confusing. I know, I don't quite get it either. But if you look up on the dock, you may notice that there's like a skipper on the left and a skipper on the right. That's what we call a paradorks. That's a lot less confusing. All right, we're gonna hang out here for just a little bit longer. Since we got some extra time though, I'm gonna point out a couple of my favorite plants. So we got, that one. And that one. That one over there that's green and leafy. That's one of my favorites. I actually know the names to a couple of them. So let's see. That one up there.
Bob.
That's a hibiscus.
Oh.
But he can be named Bob as well. That's, okay, so that's Bob. Let's see, that one down there, that's a lobiscus. Plants in the water are sea biscus. Plants with little bark to them, dog biscus. And that other one way back there behind all the others, yeah, none hibiscus. And those are my favorite plants. I think they're pretty cool. Alrighty, we're gonna hang out here for just a little bit longer. Looks like they're loading up that boat. Everybody's having a good day. Is anybody going to the Halloween party later tonight? Nice, nice. Are you guys gonna look catch the fireworks? Don't do that, they're hot, they explode. You can lose a finger trying to catch them. I don't know about you guys, I'm quite attached to all my fingers. I like to watch them from a ways away. Main Street's a good spot, I recommend that. Alrighty, we're gonna untether that boat. That skipper doesn't know how to park boats. I know how to park boats, so we'll be okay. We won't have to do that. Alrighty, friends, you guys have been outstanding on my boat today, but in a few seconds I will need you to be outstanding
On the dock.
on the dock. So, if you enjoyed my cruise, oh, wow, wait, what? Do I have to? You're sure about this?
I actually don't know what this means. I just do what I'm told.
That checks out. All right, so those skips up there, they're holding up a number 2, which means we are going around 2 more times. I'm kidding, no, I wouldn't do that to myself. No, we're going up to dock 2, which means twice the fun, twice the khaki, and twice the distance to the exit for your inconvenience. Now, if you did enjoy my cruise today, my name's Skipper Stephanie. If you didn't, then my name's Skipper Bruno. We don't talk about Bruno. There's really one thing left to say after a cruise like this, and that is...
Get out. Get out.
Get out.
All right.
Thank you.
Right, Jungle Cruise was hilarious. What did you think of your first Jungle Cruise experience?
I'd like it if I had a memory like an elephant.
God.
Best memories in the entire world.
She definitely...
Nice.
She was definitely using that joke a lot.
It was good.
It was hilarious though. But yeah, it's a good one. One of the ones I've laughed the most on in recent memory, so that's all good.